What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get the repair tool in Subnautica. For this, we'll need to first of all scan a couple of different pieces. The first location I'll show you is southeast of the pod, so line up basically perfectly southeast and head out, where you should eventually find, just over this drop here, there's this big spire that heads up at around 210-ish meters away from our life pod. Over here, we can head down into this, and immediately below us here, we should find this little entryway. Heading through this, we get ourselves access to a biobed, which gives you some nice upgrades, and also on the table here, we've got the repair tool, which we can scan, ticking off one of 3. Inside of here, you'll also scan a bioreactor, footlocker, a single bed, learn about chap, a stool, biobed, obviously, and on the table, you'll get some reports here. We can then head back out, and the second location is directly south from your pod, straight out in this way, where after this dip here, dropping down, you'll eventually come across this giant thing here, which is around 200-ish meters straight south. So if we come across to the far side, which is over here, you should see a small entrance down to the right over here. You'll find this upper door is open, allowing us access, and inside of here, to the left, straight down, and then in front of us is the repair tool over here that we can scan on this couch. Then the third and final location is directly northeast, around 350 meters out. So we'll head out in this direction now. After you head out far enough, you'll find this over here, the Altera Starship wreck, and at this one, you'll be heading towards it under here, where at the very bottom, you'll be able to head up into this giant opening, and just inside, to the right by the doorway here, is the final repair tool, which we can scan, and once we've unlocked it, we can then create one where we'll be returning to this door here. Once you repair this door, you'll gain access to this central piece over here to continue our adventure. I completely forgot about revisiting this room throughout my actual playthrough when I wasn't recording this, so hopefully you remember to craft it and come back here and do let me know what's inside. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.